Watch these two drivers. They're speeding faster than everyone else, but not for long. Flying debris almost takes a detour straight into this trucker's cabin. Talk about a close call with a surprise passenger. This driver had a near miss on the ramp thanks to a bad driver.
What are you doing, buddy? Go! Dumb, stupid.
This driver picked the absolute worst time to run a red light.
Sticks her finger up like the clown. Idiot. What is wrong with you?
This driver in the red pickup got triggered by a cyclist on an e-bike going 25 to 30 miles per hour in a 25 miles per hour zone, not impeding traffic at all. Watch what he does next, and you'll agree he definitely deserves to lose his license. Luckily, this driver recorded everything, and the incident was reported to the police.
Whoa. Oh my gosh. What is wrong with that guy?
This guy in the convertible quickly regretted not having a roof.
Oh, that sucks, dude.
I just want to make sure we have an escape route. Speaking of... Thank you, Lord.
A speeding biker nearly meets disaster thanks to the SUV driver up front.
Oh shit!
Every day of every year, but hurry, this
And he's fucking. And he's losing boards.
diamond stud earrings were just
Whoa. What the f are you doing? Hell.
That pothole is a tire-slashing, biker-dropping disaster waiting to happen. Definitely needs to be fixed ASAP.
Shot me a little like a shooting star, so I grabbed a beer and my old guitar. Then we sat around till the break of dawn, singing our favorite song.
Yeah, no fear, buddy.
Now.
Uy, may sasakyan naman. Oh my gosh!
Oh my
Grabe,
God.
ah.
One-way street, man. It's a one-way street. One way.
For some drivers, a red light might as well be a suggestion.
Wow.
Thanks to Tesla's cameras, this driver tracked down the culprit who dented her car. After sharing the footage with her insurer, they covered the cost for a painless dent repair.
How may I help you?
You ballad.
The uses are endless. This ain't your mama's little brown bottle. Harris hydrogen peroxide is available by the gallon at the Home Depot and most hardware stores.
Mushrooms.
Toyota's for the dance right now.
Voted not to raise the pride flag over City Hall. Number 7 TV's Web Health Gardner report. Councilmember Paul Shelby out 20% of voting
Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to comment down below which clip you liked the most. Also, don't forget to subscribe and like this video.